Which V8 engine could outlive the car it powers? And what makes some of these powerhouses legendary for their ability to clock 300,000 miles or more without breaking a sweat? We've done the research for you, and today we're diving into 10 V8 engines so reliable they've earned a reputation for lasting forever. When car enthusiasts talk about the most durable and reliable Mercedes-Benz engines, the legendary M113 often tops the list. Introduced in the late 90s, this V8 marvel became famous for its impressive mix of power, longevity, and low-maintenance needs. Whether it powered sleek luxury sedans or beastly AMG models, the M113 proved itself to be a rock-solid workhorse. So what made the M113 so special? First off, it was crafted to replace the older M119 and debuted in 1997. Mercedes-Benz wanted something modern, better on fuel, kinder to the environment, and packed with performance. The M113 engine powered several popular models like the E-Class and S-Class, and it didn't stop there. The AMG team took it up a notch for their high-performance versions. This V8 had some cool tricks up its sleeve: a lightweight aluminum block, silicone sleeves to handle the heat better, and a design that reduces extra weight without losing strength. Depending on the version, it ranged from 4.3 to 5.5 liters and delivered anywhere from a respectable 275 horsepower to over 500 HP in the AMG Beasts. Mercedes also packed the M113 with advanced features like Bosch's precise fuel and ignition system and a twin-spark setup for smoother combustion and fewer emissions. Plus, it handled the demands of high-performance driving beautifully, making it a favorite for enthusiasts who love pushing the limits. But nothing's perfect, right? Over time, some common issues popped up, like worn harmonic balancers or oil leaks around the valve covers. Still, with regular oil changes and proper care, these engines could easily cross the 300,000-mile mark. No wonder it's loved by both gearheads and collectors alike. But while Mercedes focused on refinement and reliability, Hyundai's Lambda II 5.0-liter brought high revving performance and modern technology to the luxury game. When Hyundai set out to challenge the big names in luxury performance, they needed a powerhouse, and they built one in the Lambda II 5.0-liter engine. Found under the hoods of top-tier Genesis models, this naturally aspirated V8 is all about blending raw power, smooth refinement, and solid reliability. So, what's under the hood? Introduced in 2011, this 5.0-liter engine was designed to go head-to-head with European and American V8s. It churns out around 420 to 429 HP and over 375 pounds-per-foot of torque, giving drivers the muscle they crave with a touch of luxury finesse. With a lightweight all-aluminum design and forged internal components, it's built to perform while staying durable. To keep that power refined, Hyundai added gasoline direct injection for precise fuel delivery and dual continuous variable valve timing for optimal valve control. Together, these technologies balance fuel efficiency and emissions without sacrificing performance. So, is it built to last? Absolutely. Many drivers report surpassing 200,000 miles with no major hiccups. Regular oil changes and keeping the GDI system clean go a long way in preserving performance. Sure, there are issues like carbon buildup on intake valves, but maintenance solutions like walnut blasting handle that. And let's not forget about durability. This engine's advanced cooling system keeps it running smoothly even during demanding drives, and its robust lubrication ensures minimal wear and tear. And compared to Hyundai's V6 or even the Tao V8, it strikes a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Shifting gears from gasoline power to heavy-duty performance, Ford's Powerstroke 6.7-liter diesel V8 stands as a powerhouse built to tackle the toughest jobs. Alright, we've seen some serious powerhouses so far, but stay tuned because coming up are a few engines that not only pack a punch, but could very well outlast your car itself. You won't believe how long these V8s last and how they keep running like new. Let's dive into the engines that truly redefine what reliability means. The Ford Powerstroke 6.7-liter diesel V8 is a powerhouse built for serious truck enthusiasts and heavy-duty professionals. If you've ever seen a Ford Super Duty effortlessly hauling massive loads, chances are it had this beast under the hood. But what's inside the Powerstroke? Debuting in 2011, Ford designed this engine from scratch, aiming for more power, better fuel efficiency, and cleaner emissions. With horsepower climbing to 500 and torque soaring past 1,000 pounds-per-foot in newer models, it's a towing and hauling champion. The engine block is crafted from compacted graphite iron, strong yet lighter than traditional materials, making it both tough and efficient. One of its secrets to smooth, consistent power delivery is the single sequential variable geometry turbocharger. Mounted between the cylinder banks, it kicks in quickly without turbo lag, making towing uphill feel effortless. Paired with a high-pressure fuel injection system that delivers precise fuel doses, this setup ensures power and efficiency in harmony. This engine is designed for longevity. owners regularly report clocking over 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Keep up with oil changes, fuel filter replacements, and EGR system cleanings, and this engine will serve you for years. Sure, soot buildup in the EGR or turbo wear can pop up, but regular care easily manages these challenges. Compared to rivals like the Cummins 6.7-liter and Duramax 6.6-liter, the Powerstroke stands out with its turbo design, higher horsepower, and seamless integration into Ford's Super Duty lineup. It's built for those who demand power and reliability every day. But Ford's not alone in the diesel war. Chevrolet's 6.6-liter Duramax diesel V8 delivers its own brand of rugged strength and relentless performance. This powerhouse, found in Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras, is built to handle heavy-duty tasks like towing and hauling with ease. You see, the Duramax story began in 2001, when GM teamed up with Isuzu to build a diesel engine that could rival Cummins and Powerstroke. Over the years, the 6.6-liter Duramax has evolved through several versions, like the LB7, LBZ, and the current L5P. Each upgrade brought better performance, cleaner emissions, and more muscle. Some versions pump out over 445 horsepower and a whopping 910 pounds-per-foot of torque. At its core, the Duramax is built tough. The cast-iron block gives it strength, while aluminum cylinder heads keep it light and cool. Add a variable geometry turbocharger, and you've got an engine that delivers smooth, lag-free power, especially when towing. Its high-pressure fuel injection system ensures every drop of diesel burns efficiently, giving you both power and fuel savings. But how does it last so long? Duramax engines are known to hit 300,000 miles or more with proper care. The secret? Regular maintenance. Keep up with the oil changes, replace fuel filters to protect the injection system, and flush the coolant to avoid overheating. Early models had injector issues, but those problems are a thing of the past in newer versions. When compared to Cummins or Powerstroke, the Duramax is quieter, more refined, and seamlessly integrates with GM trucks. It's built to tackle tough jobs in extreme conditions, from towing uphill to starting in freezing weather. But for those who crave iconic American muscle, Chrysler's HEMI engines in both 5.7 and 6.4-liter configurations have been roaring through generations of enthusiasts. Trust me when I tell you, the Chrysler HEMI V8 engines, both the 5.7 and 6.4-liter, are legends in their own right. You've probably heard about their unmistakable growl and reputation for power, but there's more under the hood than just noise. These engines pack a punch in muscle cars, trucks, and SUVs, while staying surprisingly efficient when handled right. Now, the magic of these engines comes from their hemispherical combustion chambers. This design helps air and fuel mix better, creating efficient combustion and loads of torque. The 5.7-liter variant kicks up to 395 horsepower and 410 pounds-per-foot of torque, perfect for trucks like the Ram 1500 or sporty rides like the Dodge Charger. Need more muscle? The 6.4-liter 392 HEMI pushes up the performance with up to 485 horsepower and 475 pounds-per-foot of torque, making it a beast in Dodge SRT models and heavy-duty Ram trucks. The 5.7-liter uses a cast-iron block, while the 6.4-liter features reinforced materials for extra durability. Both are known to last over 200,000 miles with proper care. Stick to synthetic oil changes and keep an eye on the timing chain, and your HEMI will keep roaring for years. One common complaint is the infamous HEMI tick, a lifter and camshaft wear issue. Regular oil changes or using high-quality additives can help. And while the multi-displacement system, which saves fuel by shutting off cylinders, works well, some drivers disable it to avoid potential wear problems. But when talking about performance, the 6.4-liter HEMI shines under pressure, whether towing heavy loads or hitting high RPMs on the track. Its cooling system keeps it steady even in extreme conditions, making it ideal for heavy-duty work or high-speed thrills. Drivers also love HEMI engines for their low-end torque and durable design. Compared to Ford's Coyote or GM's LS engines, the HEMI delivers brute force early, making it perfect for American trucks and muscle cars. Simply put, these engines are built to dominate and keep doing so for a long, long time. Now, turning to Nissan's camp, the VK56DE brings a unique flavor of high-displacement V8 power with impressive versatility. If you've driven a Titan, Armada, or Infiniti QX56, chances are you've already felt the smooth yet powerful performance it brings to the table. Nissan rolled out the VK56DE back in 2004, aiming to replace their earlier VH engines. This new V8 was built to deliver more power and torque for bigger SUVs, trucks, and performance vehicles. It's a naturally aspirated 5.6-liter V8 that can pump out anywhere between 305 to 400 horsepower, with torque maxing out at 413 pounds-per-foot depending on the setup. That makes it versatile enough for everything from heavy hauling to highway cruising. One thing that makes the VK56DE special is its all-aluminum design, which keeps it light yet strong. Paired with a dual overhead camshaft setup and variable valve timing control, it delivers great airflow and efficient combustion. Simply put, it breathes better and works smarter to deliver both low-end grunt and high-rev power. This engine isn't just for everyday drives either. It's seen action in motorsports like endurance racing and off-road competitions, a clear sign of its durability. And with good care, the VK56DE can easily clock over 250,000 miles. Just remember the basics: regular synthetic oil changes, keeping the timing chain in check, and ensuring the cooling system stays in top shape. But the one thing to watch for? Well, the timing chain tensioner can wear out over time, so periodic inspections help avoid surprises. So whether you're towing a trailer or carving through off-road trails, this engine is built to handle stress. On the other side of the spectrum, BMW's S62 engine showcases German precision engineering for high-performance driving experiences. This is one of BMW's most legendary engines. It's the heart of the iconic E39 M5 and the sleek BMW Z8, and car lovers can't stop talking about it. Why? Because this 4.9-liter naturally aspirated engine combines insane performance with solid everyday usability, all wrapped up in classic German engineering. Back in 1998, BMW Motorsport wanted to make a statement, and boy did they deliver. The S62 became the brand's first V8 from its motorsport division. With 394 horsepower and 369 pounds-per-foot of torque, this engine not only powered one of the best sports sedans ever made, but also found a home in the rare and stylish Z8. Built from a lightweight aluminum silicon alloy, the S62 is both light and strong, handling high RPMs like a pro. It features individual throttle bodies, 8 to be exact, giving it razor-sharp throttle response and unmatched airflow for that sweet high-rev feel you crave. And let's not forget the dual Vanos system, BMW's variable valve timing tech, which balances low-end torque and high-end power effortlessly. But can it go the distance? Absolutely. With proper care, the S62 can comfortably pass 200,000 miles. Key maintenance includes regular synthetic oil changes, keeping an eye on the cooling system, and watching out for Vanos system wear or rod bearing issues. Look out for these early, and this V8 will keep singing. And what sets it apart when compared to rivals like Audi and Mercedes is that the S62 stands out for its high-revving nature and smooth, linear power delivery. Sure, others might offer more torque, but BMW's precise engineering delivers an unmatched driving connection. But back in the States, Ford's Coyote V8 revives the spirit of American performance with modern flair and impressive output. This is an engine that's earned its place in the Automotive Hall of Fame. Since it hit the scene in 2011, powering the Mustang GT and F-150, it's built a rock-solid reputation for reliability, performance, and adaptability. But what exactly makes this 5.0-liter V8 so special? Well, Ford designed the Coyote to compete with GM's LS series and Chrysler's HEMI engines. It brought a fresh, high-revving approach to the muscle car and truck scene, evolving through 3 generations with more power and efficiency each time. Early versions made 360 horsepower, while later variants, like those in Shelby models, pumped out over 500 horsepower. This engine packs dual overhead cams and 4 valves per cylinder, which is fancy talk for better airflow and combustion. The lightweight aluminum block keeps things strong yet light, plus the twin independent variable cam timing tech adjusts valve timing on the fly, balancing low-end torque with high-end power. With regular care, many Coyote engines cruise past 200,000 miles without major issues. Keeping it healthy involves sticking to synthetic oil changes, watching the timing chains, and maintaining the cooling system. Early versions had a few hiccups like oil consumption and ticking noises, but Ford fixed those out over time. Now, owners rave about its smooth power, ease of maintenance, and endless tuning potential. Compared to simpler V8s like GM's LS, the Coyote stands tall with modern tech and adaptability. Now, speaking of American legends, the Chevrolet small block 350 remains one of the most celebrated engines in automotive history. Since it was introduced in 1967, it's powered everything from muscle cars to work trucks, earning a reputation for durability and versatility. Now, the 350 is part of the small block V8 family, which started with the 265 engine in 1955. By 1967, the 350 cubic inch version took over, offering a perfect mix of power, efficiency, and affordability. It powered vehicles like the Chevy Camaro, Corvette, and Impala, cementing its place in American automotive history. But what makes the 350 tick? Well, at 5.7 liters, the 350 is a naturally aspirated V8 engine. Depending on the model, it produced anywhere from 145 to 370 plus horsepower and over 380 pounds-per-foot of torque in some performance versions. Its compact design made it versatile enough for everything from daily drivers to serious muscle cars. The 350's cast iron block and heads were built to last, providing strength and durability. The overhead valve design with 2 valves per cylinder made it simple yet efficient, optimizing airflow and combustion. Plus, the modular design allowed for easy upgrades, which made it a favorite among car enthusiasts. Owners also often report that the 350 engines run well beyond 200,000 miles with proper care. Regular oil changes, valve adjustments, and spark plug replacements are key to keeping it running strong. Some issues like valve seal wear or timing chain stretch can arise with age, but these are easy fixes with the right parts. The cast iron block and forged internals give the 350 engine strength to handle both high-performance and heavy-duty tasks, like towing. Its cooling and lubrication systems ensure it stays reliable even in the most demanding situations. So why is it still a fan favorite? Well, the 350 is known for being easy to maintain, adaptable, and tunable, with tons of aftermarket support. Compared to engines like the 4302 or Chrysler 318, it has a perfect balance of power and simplicity, making it a favorite among gearheads and professionals. Finally, Toyota's 1UZ FE brought Japanese precision to the V8 world, earning respect for its incredible durability and refined performance. This legendary V8, since its debut in 1989, powered the Lexus LS400 and Toyota Crown, becoming known for its reliability, smooth performance, and tough build. Developed as Toyota's first modern V8 to compete with the likes of Mercedes-Benz and BMW, the 1UZ FE came in with the LS400, marking Toyota's entry into the luxury market. This engine was designed for smoothness and efficiency. With a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated configuration, pumps out between 250 to 300 horsepower and 260 to 310 pounds-per-foot of torque, depending on the model year. The result is a refined engine that could handle everything from smooth cruising to spirited driving. When talking about the features, the 1UZ FE features an all-aluminum block and heads, keeping it light yet strong. Its DOHC design with 4 valves per cylinder ensures efficient airflow for better power and fuel economy. Plus, it uses sequential multi-point fuel injection for precise fuel delivery and a distributor-less ignition system for reduced maintenance. Now, one of the main reasons the 1UZ FE is so loved by enthusiasts is its longevity. With proper care, these engines can go 300,000 miles or more without major issues. Regular maintenance is key though, such as timing belt replacement every 90,000 miles, using high-quality synthetic oil, and checking for oil leaks. Its forged internals and advanced cooling system ensure that it runs smoothly under stress, making it a go-to engine for high-performance applications like drifting and endurance racing. Owners also talk about the 1UZ FE's reliability and low maintenance costs compared to rivals like the BMW M60 and Mercedes-Benz M113. It's no wonder it's a favorite among car enthusiasts, tuners, and racers. Now, which of these V8 engines do you think is the most reliable? Did we miss your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and click here to check out our video about the Tesla Cybertruck 2.0.